feel grateful, and I have to work hard more for the nationals. Third place is not enough. I have to come for first. And yes, it's under 18, but I'll still keep working hard. And yes, I'll prove that age is nothing. So yeah. So for the youth,
Yeah.
never give up. Always keep training. Keep dedication. Any 1 hour, 2 hour, just give hard work. Don't show low energy. Just give high energy. And yeah, keep training. Never give up.
Good evening, everybody. We are here to congratulate our rising star of Goa, Mr. Kenneth Fernandes, a young boy from Purbavado, Kalangut. He is a BHSU fighter and he has been qualified for the national levels. This is a proud moment for our Purbavado, Kalangut and whole of Goa. At this age, at 18, he is representing Goa at the next level. It's a very, very proud moment for us. So we have specially come here to congratulate him. Congratulations.